Hi everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. I'm going to go over what's happening in week 6. As you can see, there's just 3 main things that you are doing. So as you already know, your guiding question infographic will be due by the end of the day on Monday. And so we have gone over that assignment before. So again, I always suggest that you read through the assignment several times to make sure that you're understanding it and watch the walkthrough video if you so that you fully understand the assignment before turning it in. So you will turn in a JPEG of your infographic. So if you're in the Google Drawings, you can, as you can see under File, there's an option to download it, and so you'll want to download it as a JPEG to submit it to me. All right, and then on Wednesday, by the end of the day Wednesday, you're going to do a peer response to your group members' infographics. Okay, so you'll be looking at the infographics they have in the Google folder that you share. So they should all your group members should be there. If they are not there, there's nothing that you can do about it. But you should go to your group Google folder and look for the infographics there and follow these instructions. Okay, so you're going to make sure that you are making a post with your responses so they can see whose is whose. Okay, make the title of your post so that it's clear which group member your feedback is directed towards. So you could say, review of Sarah or something like that. Okay, so you'll hit reply for that. And then finally on Friday, you just have a studio where you're doing evaluating sources. So what we're preparing in the next week or so is we haven't started the research process yet, but we're doing a lot of foundational work to prepare for doing quality research. So one of those is this evaluating sources studio. So this is really important because this CRAP test that you're going to be learning about is something that you'll be incorporating into your research logs. Okay, so you'll go through this and submit the video notes and the reflection, and that is it for this week. So pretty straightforward week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to seeing your infographics. Have a good week, everybody.